I was playing football yesterday and injured my ankle. I injured my ankle playing football. I injured my neck, arm and leg last night. I still had to go to work. I punched a door and injured my wrist. I was in a really bad accident and injured every part of my body. The man was hammering a nail into the wall and injured his finger. The dog injured its forehead. It ran into a door. The dog injured its leg jumping out of a window. The man was lifting something very heavy. He injured his back. The woman was in a car accident. She injured her neck. The woman fell off her bike and injured her left elbow. I injured my ankle playing football yesterday. The woman was in a car accident. She injured her neck and her arm. The woman crashed her car and injured her head and neck.
I injured my arm and neck playing rugby for my local team.
The child fell off his bike and injured his knee. I injured my right eye. I got into a fight with a cat. The man injured his back falling off a ladder. I went skiing last year but I fell down and injured my knee. I injured my hand hammering a nail into the wall. I injured my knee when I was playing football in the park. I was in a bike accident. I fell off my bike and injured my back. I fell down on the icy pavement and injured my back. The pavement was very slippy. The man injured himself doing a parachute jump. The soldier was injured in the line of duty. The man in the ambulance injured himself in a traffic accident. The young girl injured her leg roller skating. I injured my ankle falling down the stairs. I injured my ankle walking on high heels. I injured my knee exercising in the gym. I seriously injured someone when I was reversing the car. The woman injured her knee running in the marathon. I injured myself working for the company and I want to sue them.